Subscribe to the Coding Umpire channel and press the bell icon to watch the latest videos.
Whenever you think about disrespecting a woman, think about how you were born into this world. Anonymous. Respecting women is of utmost importance. They are our mothers, sisters, wives, and daughters. In order to create a better world and become better versions of ourselves, we must treat women with love and respect. May these quotes inspire you to respect women. Hello friends, welcome to all of you in our YouTube channel Coding Umpire. In today's video, we will learn about concatenate or concat, and how to use it. So let's see. The concatenate function concatenates join up to 30 text items together and returns the result as text. In the latest versions of Excel, concatenate function is deprecated in favor of the concat function, which is more flexible. Let's have a look. You can type this formula in a blank cell. Equals concat or concatenate, select first name and last name, and enter. Concatenate cells with a space, comma and other characters. In your worksheets, you may often need to join values in a way that includes commas, spaces, various punctuation marks or other characters such as a hyphen or slash. To do this, simply include the character you want in your concatenation formula. Remember to enclose that character in quotation marks, as demonstrated in the following examples. Concatenating two cells with a space. Concatenating two cells with a comma. And concatenating two cells with a hyphen. An operator to concatenate strings in Excel. In Microsoft Excel, an operator is another way to concatenate cells. This method come in very handy in many scenarios because typing the ampersand sign and is much quicker than typing the word concatenate. Similarly to the concatenate function, you can use and in Excel to combine different text strings, cell values and results returned by other functions. Excel and formula examples. To see the concatenation operator in action, let's rewrite the concatenate formulas discussed above. Concatenate the values in C25 and D25. Equals C25 ampersand D25. Concatenate the values in C28 and D28 separated with a space. Equals C28 ampersand, space, ampersand D28. Concatenate the values in C29 and D29 with a comma. Equals C29 ampersand comma ampersand D29. Concatenate the values in C28 and D28 separated with a slash. Equals C30 ampersand slash ampersand D30. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.